Do you have a web store? Or do you have a web studio? But you have a problem. The customers just do not come. We have the solution. You've probably heard about SEO, right? Search engine optimization. It's how you get to the top of Google's search results. So let us help you be first. Do you think it is very difficult or even impossible? Well, we like it. We are an advertising and creative agency. Guys who make targeted traffic. We specialize in digital marketing. We have years of experience and satisfied customers. Contact us. It's free.